Did you know engineers used slide rules to calculate the exact trajectories that sent humans to the moon? Then, in less than a decade, the calculator arrived and the slide rule simply vanished. But what if it never did? Imagine a world where the slide rule kept evolving, not to crunch numbers faster, but to measure something far harder to hold: consequence, choice, the weight of a single human decision mapped across a logarithmic scale. Picture a hand sliding two ivory panels apart, not to find the tensile strength of a steel cable, but to calculate the probability that one choice destroys a life or saves it. The slide rule was always cold, beautiful, and cold. It never cared what you were measuring. That was the point. In this forgotten future, precision did not disappear with the analog age. It just turned inward. The instrument stayed the same. Only the material changed. And the material was human. Some futures are not lost. They are just waiting inside the tools we stopped trusting.